Welcome to Workday Adaptive Planning, Importing Data. In this session, we'll explore how to run integration tasks to load data into sheets. The integration framework in Adaptive Planning enables you to import data into your model from a variety of sources, including General Ledger, ERP, marketing, and HCM applications. You can also import data from custom data sources, such as a data warehouse. Your security permissions and access rules determine whether you can run integration tasks and where you can import data into your model. Importing actuals data is a common integration task. You can build sheets that compare actuals to plan. You can also use actuals to drive formulas that calculate plan balances based on past trends. Your administrator typically creates an integration task to run on a schedule. You can also run a task on an as-needed basis. To access the task, open the global navigation menu and select Integration. On the Tasks Overview page, you'll notice all the tasks assigned to you. Select the task you'd like to run. Then select Run Task. You can adjust default parameter values, such as selecting the period to load the data. The parameters that display depend on the type of data you're loading, actuals or plan, the source of the data, from a spreadsheet, database, or cloud-based application, and the destination sheet, standard, cube, or modeled. Your administrator sets the default settings for the parameters when creating the task, but you can override any of these values. You can change the version of the data you originally load. However, you can't change the version type. In this example, you can change the parameters from actuals to an actuals subversion. Notice that the menu doesn't display plan versions. In this same example, a number of erased data parameters are available because actuals data is loaded. To successfully erase actuals, you must have the erased data permission in your assigned permission set. In this example of a CRM data import, the data loads to a modeled sheet. An integration task can have one or more loaders. Here, a single task loads both actuals and plan data into a sheet. Notice the parameters related to each dataset. You also have several import options to append, update, or replace data in the destination modeled sheet. Once you set your desired parameters, it's time to load the data. Select Run. A confirmation message verifies that the task loads successfully. Then you can navigate to the destination sheet to review the loaded data. In this session, we reviewed how to run integration tasks to load data into sheets. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.